Pfizer's growing push to approve booster shots for Canadians with compromised immune systems. New research indicates they can provide significant extra protection. Vicadopia looks at where the triple shot debate stands in this country.
Alan Silverman has been double vaccinated, but he still worries about winding up in the hospital. He has cancer and has had a stem cell transplant. Like 3% of Canadians, his immune system is compromised, which means if he gets COVID-19,
super high hospitalization rate and mortality rate. And also the vaccine, it's iffy as far as how much it protects us.
In most people, vaccines help build antibodies that fight off the coronavirus and prevent illness. But many immunocompromised people don't produce enough antibodies or any at all. So drug regulators in the U.S. say they need a third shot.
An additional dose could help increase protection for these individuals, which is especially important as the Delta variant spreads.
Officials in the U.S. point out the third shot isn't exactly a booster. Rather, it's a follow-up dose meant to give immunocompromised people the same level of protection the rest of us get from being double vaccinated. The decision is supported by a new Canadian clinical trial involving patients who are immunocompromised.
60 patients got a third dose of Moderna and 60 patients got a placebo. And what we found is that there was a very dramatic difference in terms of benefit. We looked at multiple aspects of the immune system.
55% of the vaccinated group saw their antibody levels go up, and T cells, which fight off severe symptoms, also increased substantially.
Getting a booster shot, getting my antibodies up to a level where I could approach that of a normal person who's been vaccinated would be amazing.
Health officials in Canada are now considering all the research.
I think they should get on with it, look at the data. I think there's plenty of data available, and now they have the example of the FDA, so I think they should move on with this.
Until they move, some Canadians still won't feel protected. Vicadopia, CBC News, Toronto.
Next, we return to the crisis in Afghanistan.